In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Java Development Kit (JDK) on your own system. Okay, so open up any browser of your choice: Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome or Safari, and then you go to Google and simply type JDK and hit enter. So this brings up to a new window entirely, and the first link you see here is Java SE Downloads, Oracle Technology Networks, Oracle. Go ahead and hit on that link immediately. So if you hit on this link, it's going to open up a new window entirely for you. So in this place, you will see Java Platform JDK 10. This is the latest version at the time of making this video. So I believe you are going to see JDK 10 in your own system at the moment. Then go ahead and hit on Java Platform, and another window is opened up for you entirely. So now we are going to download Java Development Kit JDK 10. Come down here under Java SE Development Kit 10.0.2. You are going to see the operating systems that are supported for this. So if you don't have any of these, please try as much as possible to get either Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, or Windows. But at the moment, at the time of making this video, I am using Windows. So go ahead and bring your mouse down here. But before you do that, move your mouse to this point and click on Accept License Agreement. I will hit on this. Now, thank you for accepting the Oracle Binary Code License Agreement for Java SE. You may now download this software. So go ahead and hit on Downloads. And when you hit on Downloads, this will immediately come up. So down here, you can see what do you want to do with JDK 10. I'll go ahead and hit on Save. And this will immediately start downloading. It does not waste time. So currently it has finished downloading. So go ahead and hit on Open Folder. Let's go ahead and see that. So you can see I have JDK 10.0.2 Windows here. So double click on this and that is going to come up very soon. All right. So we want to install this on our system because we'll be taking everything step by step. So you can see preparing to install. So welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit. So now, this wizard will guide you through the installation process for Java SE Development Kit. So go ahead and hit on Next, and go ahead and hit on Next, and this will begin installation immediately. So it does not waste time as we go ahead and do that step by step. So preparing installer, and you can see this part. Say you can click this, or you go ahead and copy this part, anyone. But I'll ask you to leave it. I will show you how to copy this part. Go ahead and hit on Next. So now you can see successfully installed. Now go ahead and hit on Close. And this is entirely closed for us. Now move your mouse. I'm going to bring this close to this point. So you can see your PC here. So go ahead and open this PC and go to local disk and double click on this. It opens. I think I'm going to minimize this a little bit. So let me go to medium. Let me put it in a medium. Oh, let me go ahead and put that to be large. So go to your program files and double click and open your program files. So under here you can see Java. Double click and you can see Java 10.0.2. and JRE 10.0.2. So the first one is Java Development Kit, and the second one is Java Runtime Environment. So you must have these two things, all right? So go ahead and open the JDK, and go ahead and open Bing or anything. Click on any of these. I mean any of these application extensions here, and right click on that, go to properties. So under properties, you can see this here, location. Go ahead and copy this location here. Go ahead and copy that. Here, copy this and close this again, and go back to your PC and click on your PC here. Right click and go to properties. So this will come up very soon. So this is what you get whenever you click on properties, and go to advanced system settings and double click on that. So when you click, you have this small icon pop up for you here, and here you have some stuffs here. You can see environment variables right down here. So go ahead and click on environment variables, and another window open up for you. Okay, because for the sake of people who don't have Java 9, the time I taught Java 9, I'm going to delete this part here. I'll delete that so we can do that step by step. Now, go ahead and hit on new and type part, and go down here at variable value and go ahead and paste what you've just copied. Okay, so now hit OK, and you can see parts, and this is JDK 10.0.2. Okay, I hope that is okay. Go ahead and hit OK. Go ahead and hit OK. You can go over here and close this and close all this, and you've successfully downloaded and installed JDK on your system. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about anything in this lecture, please do well to put your questions on the question and answer section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.